Yay! Look at that, guys. Ang dami. Nagadu in Ilocano. Atay-atayan na kanon gagayong king kakabsat.
How much this? 10. Then Philippines is expensive now. Right. How much this now?
25
25
or 30
peso in Philippines.
or 30. Depends on the demand. But in Australia, how much is this?
I buy that maybe $7 sometimes.
$7 ka no gagayam kin kakabsat. Sa may Arnold, $7. Oh, may sarap.
Like this.
$7. For that one, $7. Oh, yan oh. That is why my sister is planting her own vegetables in the garden, guys.
Harvest.
She
60
harvests today 60 pieces of snake beans.
I cook later.
Adobo. Then we had also here passion fruit. We never harvest yet them the whole lot. There's more in there. Mukbang.
Kagam dyan, timban.
Where's the timba?
Let's go harvest some spinach.
Get some spinach. We have to pull this out in the garden. Spinach. That is vegetables, guys. Sa Ilocano, kalunay.
Na walang tinik.
Kalunay na walang tinik.
Tinik sa lalamunan.
Ayan, marami pa dun, guys. Oh. Marami pa dun. And then, before we are going inside, there's more spinach here. Kalunay. We are just going to boil it and dip it in fresh tomato and bagoong fish sauce. There's more here. And this is her bitter gourd. Last time when I come here, they're only little. Basit pa lang dayta idi. O diba? Ito na po yung nausog ko. Namumunga na. Nausog.
Nausog mo eh. Pagsa ti itong eh.
Usog? May usog ba ako?
Hindi nang ipakitaan ti ka. Sa video call mo.
Siguro. Awan usog ko kabsa. Oh, it's a lot. I'll bring some. Oy, don't touch it. I'll bring some seeds back home. Tapay sili na dito yun eh. Gagayan kin kakabsat. Oh, agaw may kupuruson no bigat. Uy, kabatiti. Oh, dandami agpitilan. Di pa dyan may isan. Ado mati naalamin nga kalunay. Dapat naalamin nga cherry tomatoes. Oh, de. Tapay passion fruit. Ada na loong ito ay nakita puro sa tanyo ni. Nagadubungan na passion fruit. Oh. Dana loong giant. Purusok man dito eh. Ay, purusak din na loom kanek. Favorite ko dito passion fruit. Eh? Nakadado. Gayang kin kakabsa. Zero. Ay, dapat jay. Kidaduman o bigat ton. Ti kamatis ni manang ni nakadadubungan na pero usog. Oh, manipod ijay. Ganadjay kusina. tinang purusan na di itad na kanya nga kamatis. Oh. Nagado. Nakaad adu. Oh, green thumb talaga. Makatipid. Kasi ado ti kamatis na kastinot lang di jimula na gilikod.